I'ma still be like this. Comfort zone.
We cook,
season, we cook it, we eat it. Season, we cook it, we eat it.
A
Hey,
drizzle, a pop. A drizzle, a pop. A drizzle, a drizzle, a drizzle, a pop.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to the channel. You guys requested a baked macaroni and cheese, so here is a simple recipe for baked macaroni and cheese. So sit back and relax and enjoy the video. Hey guys, so we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil in here. Okay, probably a tablespoon or so. Okay, then we're gonna go in with our chicken flavor bouillon right there, guys. So a tablespoon and a half of that chicken bouillon. I'm gonna just add probably like a sprinkles of kosher salt. All right, and so we are going to bring this up to a boil. And I think I want a little bit more chicken bouillon, okay? We want some flavorful macaroni and cheese. It's basic. We ain't doing all the stops and the, all those good things, but we want some flavorful macaroni and cheese, okay? Or you just don't make it. Hello? And then we're gonna drop in our elbows macaroni. Okay, I'm using a giant eagle brain right there, yeah. So, I'll be right back. We're gonna get started with our cheese blend. Let me show you what we got. So here we go with our cheeses. So here we have some mild cheese and sharp cheddar cheese, okay? We have our Parmesan cheese. We have our mozzarella cheese. Sorry. And we have some shredded the Italian blend cheese, 5 blend cheeses, okay? So that's what we're going to use. And yes, it is Kraft shredded cheese. I didn't feel like cutting up no cheese, but back in the day, that's what we did in the kitchen. My mom used to have us chopping up them in blocks, but we doing a simple, basic Jill style macaroni and cheese. Amen. You're gonna need you some Cajun seasoning. I have Slap Your Mama, any of your favorite Cajun seasoning, or you can leave it out. I just like a little spice. I am happy to say today we are gonna use Make It Happen. Okay, Mr. Make It Happen seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. I can't wait to try it. So I thought, why not try it on this macaroni and cheese? I haven't even opened it yet. Also, you're going to need some heavy cream, and you're also going to need I'm using almond milk. Yes, I was brought up using whole milk, but I can't do the whole milk, okay, guys? It do my stomach right these days, and I don't really like the taste of whole milk anymore. So I'm going to open this up, guys, and then we're going to start with our mixture in a moment. As soon as we put our noodles in the pot, you want to have your cheese hanging out so it can be softened, and it's easier to melt once we start adding the cheese to the macaroni noodles. All right, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, our water is boiling. I'm using like probably 2.5 cups of pasta noodles, okay? And we're gonna just go ahead and give this a stir, and we want to cook this until it's al dente, and then we're going to strain, and then we are going to go ahead and put our macaroni and cheese together so we can get it in the oven. I'll be right back. You are also going to need some smoked paprika just to give it a little bit of smoky flavor. And don't forget our butter. So I'm going to use half a stick of butter. All right. And don't forget your sour cream. All right. Don't forget that sour cream, baby. Let's get our al dente noodles. So I'm going to put some in here. So listen, we did the block cheese, as I was saying, when we were growing up. And my mom didn't really use sour cream in her macaroni and cheese. So she didn't use that. So, but I'm just going to mix this up here with the butter to the butter. Cover it all up in there. Okay, how are you guys doing today? I hope you are having a blessed day. And yeah, you guys said you wanted to see my mac and cheese recipe. Now, I usually do a mac and cheese sauce for my macaroni and cheese. Comment down below and let me know if you want to see that. All right, y'all, so let's go in now with our cheddar, sharp and mild cheese, get it all in there. All right, and then make sure you have a little bit left over of the mixture of cheeses so that you will have some for the top layer of the cheese. Okay, and it'll start getting a little clumpy. And you know, when you use the block cheese, you know, that is the best cheese. But like I said, this is my simple, just simple, right, y'all? All right, now let's get our wet ingredients and our seasonings in. So we're gonna go in with this Make It Happen seasoning, and it tastes pretty good, guys. What's in it is some salt, onion, garlic, and spices. Okay, and we're gonna season that up. Let's give it about, no, I ain't good at measuring, huh? Give it about 2 tablespoons or tablespoon and a half. And that slap your mama. Sprinkle just a little bit in here, just for a little kick, and some fresh crack. Malfunction. There we go. You know how it is in the kitchen, right? Because we want some cheesy goodness, guys, in here. Okay? And then we're going to come in with probably 1/4 cup, and even that, of that sour cream. Okay? Let's get it in there. Let's get the mixing. Now, from what I'm looking at, I like cheesiness, guys. I love cheesiness. So we are going to come with a little bit more cheese. Okay. Your cheese do get a little lumped up in the mixture. It does. But it's going to all melt when it and come together and get married in that pan. Yeah, it is. So this is 2 cups. So I used 1 cup of heavy cream, and 1 cup of almond milk. Okay? So I'm going to add a little bit more cheese. Okay, you see I added some more cheese. And how y'all let me forget the little bit of smoked paprika? Okay. Go in there with you a little teaspoon or so. Okay. Let them flavors get mixed and married together. Ooh. I want me a little bit more of our almond milk. I'm going to use the rest of that. And heavy cream. And I think I want a little bit more sour cream. And there we go. Look, you just eyeball it up in here when you cooking in the kitchen. Honey. You just get it all married together so everything will just be delicious. Okay? Alright, y'all. So I put a little bit of butter at the bottom of the pan. Ain't gonna do me nothing. Now let's get this goodness all up in here, baby. So we gonna load it all up in there. Ooh, it smells good already. Happy holidays to you guys. Okay? And we got a mixture of all of our cheeses we use that we just gonna spread up on there. Spread it like so, like so, like so. Appreciate y'all for watching my videos and being patient with me while I'm on a little break. But I said, look, the holidays coming up. Gotta make little goodies before I go on break, right? Enjoying family time. Taking care of the mental and the home, the business. So I could really be the best me I can be, right? But I appreciate each and every one of y'all. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. All right, we're going to put this in a 350 degrees oven for about 40 minutes or until the top is like a golden brownish and it's bubbly and the cheese is cooked all the way through. All right, so I'll be back with the finished dish. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up, y'all. I'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back, welcome back. Oh my God, we are pulling our baked macaroni and cheese out of the oven. Ooh-wee! Get into that, get into that. So we have our baked macaroni and cheese freshly out of the oven. And baby, this thing is ready. Okay? I love the crust around there. Always perfect. You know, you have that crustiness, and then when you dip inside, woo, baby. Listen, y'all ready? I'm ready. Let's let this cool off for about 15 minutes, and we're gonna dig in. All right, y'all, let's see what this is giving. Okay, so our simple baked mac and cheese for the holiday, hassle-free. Hassle-free, y'all. Or should I just dig in? Because I like the crust. I like all that. Let's just dig in. See me, I don't like no watery macaroni and cheese. I like it to be, you know, where you cut into it, but you got the cheese. It's still cheesy, ain't it? I don't know. What y'all think? That don't look good to y'all? It look good to me. Bam, 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 bam. I just want some delicious macaroni and cheese. Like so, with a crust on it. I like a crust. You see how the bottom crusted for me too? That's what I'm talking about. I want that. It's too hot for me to sit there and try, but there y'all have it, y'all. Simple baked macaroni and cheese. Now, when I do my ultimate macaroni and cheese, ooh, with that cheese sauce, That's a different story. But this is something good and still tastes delicious. And your family's gonna just be like, And I always want the edges of the baked macaroni cheese. It's cheesy. It's good. Well seasoned. And delicious. So thank you guys for coming. I appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. And click the notification bell so you can be reminded of when I come to you with another video. Until then, thank you so much for all the love, and comment down below. I love conversing with you guys. Till next time, later.